You are now watching Doorbell News.
So this guy jumps inside of somebody's window when they're not at home.
Hello?
Check her out. She's doing a little broom fishing. This guy's pretty talented. This guy's like making a song while he's breaking in the house or something.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that's a high-speed chase.
Yeah.
That's a high-speed chase.
Yeah, you better hit my car, dude.
Oh my God, Jaeger! Oh my God, Jaeger!
A neighbor named Danielle Yeager shared this footage of a pizza man tripping up a guy seen running away from the law.
Run, please, stop. Oh, idiot! Idiot! On the ground.
Come in. Come in.
You got me on video?
Holy. You want to come in the house?
No, I'm good.
Here.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Thank you. Holy. He just tripped the out of him.
My leg up too.
Yeah, one for the pizza guy. Check this guy out.
You are currently being recorded.
It's a jouse, buddy.
Open door, please.
This guy looks lost. Check this guy out. He got the cornholio thing going on. Where's your jacket at, buddy? Wrong house. Get lost! So this guy finds a key, so he doesn't know which apartment it goes to, so he goes around the building trying all the doors with the key, hoping one of them works and opens the door. Yeah, this guy obviously has nothing to lose. Meanwhile, looks pretty cold outside.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Glendale, Arizona. Check her out. Hey, put that back. Those are my slippers. Yeah. Looks like we got a creeper here.
Hello?
Meanwhile, this guy's still at the door. He's definitely at the wrong house. And he definitely needs to get lost!
First, please.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Please open door.
Who are you?
Check her out. Looks like she needs to take a visit to Dr. Pimple Popper. She has this big thing on her neck. Yeah, I don't know what she's up to. She definitely needs to get lost!
My name is Johnson, and I'm here to serve you however you may wish.
You know what?
I'm here to serve Mama Brigitte. Huh? I'm sorry. Are you going Brigitte?
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Get Lost merchandise now available at the doorbellnews.com store. Check us out.
Please open door.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.